completely. Jones, not Dr. Jones. I'm so happy to meet you. Maybe I shouldn't intrude.
No, intrude.
You don't mind if I share your little secret with you? I promise I won't tell anybody. Can't believe this is happening to me. You know, there's a cozy bar inside. Why don't we go and talk?
Oh, certainly. Yeah, yes.
You know, it's so obvious I might as well just come out flat and say it. I get excited just being around you, Jonesy.
It must have fallen off while I was playing shuffleboard.
Okay, what did the ring look like?
It's a cluster of gold flowers, lots of little diamonds.
I'll tell you what, let's call the purser's office. Maybe somebody turned it in.
Oh,